Oh, crikey, mate. This is a really good storm, mate. Whoa. The wind is blowing against my cranium like, whoa. Well, mate, well, since I have nothing to do, guess I'll show you guys how I dunk.
I'm at the finish line, kicking, ripping rhymes. I'm Michael Jordan, you just played the game through Scottie Pippen's eyes. You're second place, I burned through you. Don't try to play, cause second place would be the first loser. I think I'm Big Mitch, hey Hoover, dangerous like that triangle in Bermuda. You say you made my style, Maury show you're not the father. Eating rappers like I'm Pac-Man.
Whoa, mate, well, I really suggest that you stay indoors today, mate, because it's gonna be a very, very good storm, mate. So I'm going to hop in the shower because I stink. So yeah, I'll probably come with a video around in like 2 weeks. So yeah, it's your boy B Money. 434 BA2 up to 9. You already know. Do it for my city. I'll put my city on the map. Pow, 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 pow.
I'm at the finish line, kicking, ripping rhymes. I'm Michael Jordan, you just played the game through Scottie Pippen's eyes. You're second place, I burned through you. Don't try to play, cause second place would be the first loser. I think I'm Big Mitch, hey Hoover, dangerous like that triangle in Bermuda. You say you made my style, Maury show you're not the father. Eating rappers like I'm Pac-Man, waka waka. Wild fly style high like a Rastafari. I'm the king, so bow bow, but I ain't flocka flocka. So come boxing with the champion and put him up. I tell my haters like my exes, you ain't good enough. It's deep prison if you ain't about it, then